India's manufacturing sector is set to surge in 2026, and these new manufacturing business ideas are built for entrepreneurs ready to move fast. With government support and scalable models, now is the moment to explore new manufacturing business ideas that fit any budget. Let's start with idea number one. One machine, four disposable products. Billing rolls, dining rolls, aluminium foil, and butter paper, all from a single mini combo setup sold to spas, restaurants, hospitals, and jewelry shops. Scale further with the full combo machine. 10 disposable products from one investment, including toilet rolls, kitchen towels, and hospital bed rolls, reaching hotels, corporates, and hospitals nationwide. These are exactly the kind of new manufacturing business ideas built for multiple income streams from one machine. Next, let's talk tissue paper. Tissue paper manufacturing business is booming. A single tissue paper making business setup can serve restaurants, bakeries, tea shops, hospitals, and corporate offices within a 400 square kilometer market. Proof that tissue paper manufacturing business demand keeps rising. Now here's an opportunity almost no one is tapping into yet. Healthcare manufacturing business ideas. Gauze swab making and roll bandage manufacturing. Supplying hospitals, clinics, and medical distributors, these healthcare manufacturing business ideas remain underdeveloped in India, meaning huge first mover advantage for early entrepreneurs. So which one is right for you? Whether you choose disposable products, a tissue paper making business, or healthcare manufacturing business ideas, success depends on smart market survey and strong marketing. With margins up to 40% from consumers, these new manufacturing business ideas are financially achievable and growth ready. The window is open now before others take your market. To know in detail, click the link in description or comment new to receive full details.